our today's class. At this moment, we want to see some requirements for this program, for this course. That is, what are the needed applications or needed tools that we are going to be using throughout this course. So let's quickly run through some of them to see. First one which we are going to be needing is the RAR, how do you call it, 2, which is an app. So as you can see at the top here, the second line, the last application on the right hand side, it is the what? The RAR. So this application is used to zip and unzip files, that is to compress and expand files. So we have some tools or some instances whereby what you want to use is zipped up, so you need to unzip it, and to do that you need RAR, how do you call it, application. So a very good example is in instances. So let me firstly open the app for you and see how it looks like. So if you open the app, this is the app, and you can see all these things you are seeing are folders in the phone and folders in the if you want to level up, that is how do you call it, you want to go to maybe storage, so you can press this so that it will be able to go to storage. You can see this is the main storage on my device, so you can just easily choose any storage. You can locate where the file you want to unzip is, locate it, then you unzip it. So what do we need RAR for in the course of our graphic design? It is in instances whereby you need to install how do you call it, you need to install fonts into your Pixel Lab, where you need to install fonts into your Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab is the application we'll be using for the course, throughout the course. It is the main tool of our focus. So you use RAR to unzip those fonts, because those fonts comes in zip form and your Pixel Lab cannot read zip documents, so you have to unzip it into its main format. So for you to do that, you come to your RAR and locate where you stored the font or where you downloaded the font. So let's assume let me check. I have some fonts I downloaded. Let me go to storage here. So you go to storage. Okay, sorry, let me level up. Let me go to SD card. Okay, this is SD card. So inside my SD card, you can see this is fonts. So you click on the fonts. So another application, so this is another folder inside the fonts, which I names as font. So I just click it to open it. So you can see these are fonts. I've already unzipped these fonts, that's why they look like this. If you've not unzipped them, it will look like something like this. You can see something like in this box. So you just you click the fonts you want to unzip. You click the fonts you want to unzip, click the fonts you want to unzip, click the fonts you want to unzip to mark it, click the fonts you want to unzip to mark it, the fonts you want to unzip to mark it. Then after what's next? You click the arrow. Okay, let me show you. You click this arrow, the box here, not the one with plus, so the box that has arrow on the top. So you click it, then it will bring you to this page. So on this page, what this page is trying to tell you is where did you want to unzip the file to, that is in which folder do you want to unzip the file to. So for you to do that, you can easily browse. In case you can see the parts it is going to store here, it will be stored in SD card, fonts in another folder, fonts in another folder, fonts. That's where it is going to unzip it. But if that is not where you want to unzip it, you can easily browse from here to select anywhere you want to unzip the file, and after selecting, then you press OK. So it will undergo the process of extraction. It will extract the file from zip form, and that is that about RAR. Then you can easily go back to your your Pixellab and install the font. So if you get to where we install the fonts in Pixellab, we discuss that. So then another app we'll be needing is the main app, which is what Pixellab. And from the introduction, we've discussed the Pixellab already. So this is what Pixellab on the topmost part here. The third application here is the Pixellab. So those are the main things we are going to be requiring. But along the way, there is another software or another tool or app rather, which is called remove.bg. The reason why I deleted the app is because you can easily go to the you can easily go to your browser and type in remove.bg. So this one is used in removing background of, maybe you want to use a particular picture, or someone send you the picture, his picture or her picture, for you to design for him or her, and there is background there, so you want to remove the background. You can quickly upload the image on remove.bg. So you can quickly upload it and it will remove the background for you perfectly. Then you download the one without background and you will be able to use your tool. So those are the main requirements for now. So please stay tuned and we are going to meet in the next video.